Hey everyone, it's Daniel Sconza. Good afternoon to you. Just thought I'd share some thoughts and ideas about our wonderful company here, eXp Realty. Just a quick background here about myself. I have been in the real estate business for 29 years. I was actually with a leading brand for 29 years. And I'm a second generation real estate broker. My father actually started our company in 1955, 65 years ago. And I'm not in any way saying that to impress you, only to impress upon you that over the years we've seen some things. And as I'm sitting here today at the tender young age of 48 years young, I do not believe in retirement. I do not believe in the concept of retirement. I was actually just about to incorporate my company with a leading brand. And when I saw, thinking, by the way, that I move on into the rest of my career, the rest of my life, really, with that brand. When I saw what was available to me here at eXp, I immediately became very aware that I was operating my business in an antiquated model. And I'll just share some real quick thoughts here about what I saw and why I made the transition after 29 years. So let's see if I can share my screen here. Hopefully that's working for you and you're able to see my screen. Anyhow, basically what I saw is the number six. I saw the number six. And here's what I mean by that, the number six. So in our wonderful company here, there are six components of income opportunity, six components of income opportunity. The first component is transactions, buyers and sellers. And of course, this is the most important component, and nothing happens in our business without transactions, buyers and sellers coming together. In fact, it's really about relationships. And so, of course, we all have in our let's say respective real estate companies this component of income opportunity available to us. What I saw here with eXp is five additional components of income opportunity. The second component is equity. The third component is residuals. The fourth component is mentorship. The fifth component of income opportunity is duplication. Excuse me, it's actually expansion through duplication. Expansion through duplication. And the sixth component is legacy. So I'll talk to you a little bit here about the equity side of the component here. And let's see if I can come back to, here we go. So in relationship to the equity side of the component, there are actually five ways to build equity inside of our company. So I'm actually a shareholder in our company. And our company, by the way, was founded by a Canadian in the United States 10 years ago. The first 5 years, our company grew from one realtor, the founder, to 400 realtors. The last 5 years, we've gone from 400 to 800 to 2,200 to 6,800, and we just surpassed 27,000 realtors. We've gone from 400 to 27,000 in the last 5 years. And the really cool thing about that is when the company grows, so does my equity position have the opportunity to grow. We are a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ exchange, and about 5 years ago, and we were trading here at 94 cents a share, and this is all documented and recorded. Don't quote me on this. Please check the figures. But we were trading about 5 years ago at 94 cents a share. And the last time I checked, about 3 weeks ago, we were trading at $11 plus per share. So when the company grows, so does my equity position have an opportunity to grow. And in addition to that, so as I mentioned, there's five opportunities to gain equity. That is when we cap, that is when we icon, that is when we attract, that is when we transact, and that is when we ooh, I lost my train of thought there. There's one more opportunity to build equity, and it's not coming to me right at the moment. But there's five opportunities to build equity, and let me give you that fifth opportunity, just so. Let's see here. The fifth opportunity to build equity is. Oh yes, when we decide we want to leave a legacy. See, I told you it would come to me. Pardon me for that. It's when we decide that we want to leave a legacy. So if you're interested in learning more about this idea, this concept, available to us here at eXp, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My direct phone number, my personal cell phone number is 416 230 3476. 416 230 3476. You can also book an appointment with me through my easy calendar booking system at bookmenow.xyz. That's www.bookmenow.xyz. Thanks for listening in. Peace and blessings to you. God bless you.